Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Hampton-based ceiling fan remote is missing or not working, you might be wondering how to turn the fan on without it. Many people think the fan can't be controlled at all without the remote, but that's not true. Most Hampton Bay fans still have manual control options like wall switches or pull chains, and in some cases, you can even bypass the remote receiver. It can feel confusing if you've always used the remote, but the good thing is that with the right method, you can easily turn your fan back on and control it without needing the remote. Try these. Step 1. Check if your fan has a wall switch and turn it on. Step 2. Look for a pull chain on the fan and pull it to start. Step 3. Set the wall switch to on and use the chain to adjust speed. Step 4. If no response, turn off power and check the receiver inside canopy. Step 5. Reset the remote receiver if needed. Step 6. Turn power back on and test the fan.